AI is taking over design, literally. But which one's smarter for your next project? How will you know? Today, we are putting Figma AI head to head with Canva's Magic Studio AI to see which is the real creativity sidekick in 2025. So let's go. Figma AI introduces new features in 2025 that are directly embedded into core Figma platform. It can generate design elements, suggest copies, and auto adjust website layouts based on the prompts. The tool remains highly design focused and offer pro level customization for experienced creators. Another tool that we have for comparison here is Canva AI, also known as Magic Studio. It is built for producing quick, visually enhanced, and perfect outputs. It offers tools such as text to image generations, magic edits for altering images, and the ability to instantly turn a video script into slideshow. Canva AI is aimed at both casual creators and marketers, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Today, I'll be testing two AI design giants with same design challenge. The task is to design a website layout using the same prompt. No human tweaks, no manual layout changes, just raw AI power. And the results are insane. One tool offers precision and customization, and the other promises speed and picture perfect visuals. So which one will come out on top in 2025? Canva's design was instantly pretty but harder to fully customize, whereas Figma's AI gave me a flexible structure I could push in any direction. More upfront work, but more control in the long run. Now let's go ahead to feature comparison of both the tools based on the design challenge. Figma's AI isn't just spitting out pretty pictures, it's generating wireframes and UI layouts with precision, making it a powerhouse for serious UX and UI projects. Canva AI, on the other hand, is the speed demon for content creation. In seconds, it can spin up polished social media posts, presentations, and flyers. When it comes to fine-tuning, Figma AI shines with smart layout adjustment, pixel-perfect auto-alignment, and AI-powered text rewriting. Whereas Canva's Magic Studio takes a more visual approach. Swap out objects in photos, remove background instantly, and animate text with just few clicks. For all the UI UX designers or product designers, here is the trade-off. Figma AI has a steeper learning curve. It's built for designers who want full control, whereas Canva AI or Magic Studio is a beginner friendly, making it almost foolproof for small business owners and creators who just need something fast and ready to publish. If you consider the collaboration features, both tools supports real-time teamwork, but Figma takes it further with developer handoff embedded right inside the tool. Your designs can go straight into productions. Whereas if you're using Canva AI or Magic Studio, it will more be dependent on presentation and marketing workflows. You can maintain a good teamwork with your colleagues and get your work done within minutes. When it comes to exporting the final design, both AI tools are perfect. Figma AI can deliver developer-ready code snippets along with SVG, PDF, PNG, and JPG. Whereas Canva AI offers a wide buffet of formats, it also offers the ability to instantly turn your designs into videos. So what's the final verdict? Well, there's no absolute winner. It's all about using the right tool for the right job. If you are a pro UI UX designer or a product designer who needs precision and control in the layouts and design, Figma AI is your playground. You get to design the wireframes, understand the user flow, and get the system ready. If you are a creator or a business owner who needs speed and social media ready content, Canva Magic Design gets you there faster. If you want to know more about such AI design tools and what will be trending in 2026, stay tuned to Coders Column Design Studio. This is Dolly Solanki signing off.